Good morning children. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, lesson 11, light and sound. 11th lesson, light and sound. Okay, in this lesson, two subheadings. Okay, one is light and shadow. Another one is sound around us. Okay, yeah. So today we are going to learn only one subheading, that is light and shadow. Light and shadow. Light helps us see many beautiful and colorful objects around us. So we know very well. Okay, yeah. So that light is falling on any object, it's form a shadow. Okay, light falling on any object, it's form a shadow. So light and shadow. In this lesson, we are going to learn so some shadows and how to form the shadows, and then that object, what are the objects are classified into the luminous and non-luminous objects. So we are going to learn now that things, most of the main source of light on the earth is the sun. Okay, sun is the main source of light on the earth. So that sunlight is very important for all living things on earth. So very for example, plants make a food, they need a sunlight. The human beings also get a sunlight from their bodies absorbing sunlight and then produce vitamin D. Okay, yeah. So that sunlight is very important for all living things on earth, and then it is very difficult without light we can live. Okay, yeah. So that the plants must need sunlight, that human beings also must need sunlight. Okay, so the sunlight is the most important source of light on earth. So light and let us learn light and shadow. That object that emit light so that is called the source of light. Okay, any object that emit light, that is known as source of light. End object la light emit pannudho, so that objects are known as a source of light. The sources of light can be classified as natural and artificial. The sources of light can be classified as natural and artificial. The sources of light classified as natural and artificial. Okay. So the sources of light can be classified as natural and artificial. Okay. So can you tell some natural source of light? Just you think. So the sun, lightning, and stars are the examples of a natural source of light. Natural source of light. Okay, and then can you tell some examples of artificial source of light? The bulb, torchlight, torch, candles, bulb, torch, candles, tube light, are the examples of artificial source of light. Artificial source of light. So that any object that emit light, okay, object that emit light are known as source of light. That sources of light can be classified as two. One is natural, another one is artificial source of light. So the natural source of light, that examples of sun, lightning and stars, okay, and then artificial source of light, bulb, torch, candles, tube lights. So these are only artificial source of light, okay. And then let us learn that luminous and non-luminous object. Luminous and non-luminous object. Luminous and non-luminous object. Object are classified as luminous and non-luminous object. So depending on their capability to emit light, okay. So depending on their capability to emit light. So எல்லா ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டுமே அதோட எப்படி லைட் எமிட் பண்ணுது அப்படிங்கற அதோட கேப்பபிலிட்டி வச்சு தான் so we can classify it as a luminous and non-luminous objects, okay. So first one is a luminous object. Luminous object that emit light on their own. Object that emit light on their own are known as are called a luminous object. Okay ma? Can you understood everyone? Object that emit light on their own. Self adhe light வந்து கொடுக்கறதா luminous object அப்படினு சொல்றோம். Objects that emit light on their own are called luminous object. Luminous object. For example, sun, stars, bulb, tube light, candles, and torch. Okay, yeah. Torch are the examples of a luminous object. So these objects can emit light on their own. For example, candle, when we burn the candle, so the candles are emit the light. And then the sun, stars, bulb also, when we switch on the when we on the switch, the bulbs are emit the light. So these are already luminous object, okay. So luminous object means object that emit light on their own are called the luminous object. Next we learn the non-luminous object. Object that emit the object that cannot emit light on their own, okay. Own light emit பண்ண முடியாது, okay. So objects that cannot emit light on their own are called non-luminous object. Non-luminous objects. Now can you tell some examples of non-luminous objects? Yes, the table, chair, buildings, tree and moon. And moon are the examples of a non-luminous object. Non-luminous object. Okay, so we know moon is emit the light. Some of them know, some of them think that moon is emit the light. Then that moon is coming in the non-luminous object. So moon is a non-luminous object because that moon emit the light that it receives from the sun. ஓகேயா, மூன் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு பார்க்குறதுக்கு லைட்டை எமிட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஆனால் அது என்ன செய்யலை, தன்னோட ஓன் லைட்டை எமிட் பண்ணலை. பிகாஸ் தட் இட் ரிசீவ்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் த சன். இது என்ன செய்யணும், மூன் வந்து சன்னோட லைட்டை தான் ரிசீவ் பண்ணி அப்சர்வ் ட்ராப் பண்ணி அதை வந்து நம்மளுக்கு கொடுக்குது. ஓகேயா, ஸோ த மூன் இஸ் அ நான் லூமினஸ் ஆப்ஜெக்ட். Non-luminous object because it emits light that it receives from the sun, சன்னோட லைட்டை தான் இதை ரிசீவ் பண்ணி எமிட் பண்ணும். ஓகேயா, ஸோ தட் இட் ரிசீவ்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் தி சன். ஓகேயா, ஸோ that object that emit light are known as the source of light. The sources of light can be divided, classified as natural and artificial. Some natural source of light are sun, lightning and stars are the natural sources of light. Bulb, torch, candle, tube light. So these are all the examples of a tube light or the examples of a artificial source of light. And then next, luminous and non-luminous object. That emit light, object are classified as luminous and non-luminous depending on their capability to emit light. So அது எப்படி தன்னோட light எமிட் பண்ணுதுங்கிற capability வச்சு தான் we can classify as a luminous and non-luminous object. First one we learn luminous object. Objects that emit light on their own. Objects that emit light on their own are called a luminous object. For example, sun, stars, bulb, tube light, candles. So these are all the examples of a luminous object. Object that cannot emit light on their own are called a non-luminous object. For example, table, chair, building, tree and moon. Okay, so moon is a non-luminous object because it emit light that it receives from the sun. இது என்ன செய்யணும், சன்னோட லைட்டை ரிசீவ் பண்ணி தான் இது லைட்டை எமிட் பண்ணும். ஓகேயா, ஸோ that moon also non-luminous object. Okay, and then light also always travel on a straight line. Okay, so light always travel in a straight line. When an object blocks light, so ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து லைட்டை பிளாக்ஸ் பண்ணிருச்சு அப்படின்னா a dark shape is formed on the surface. Okay, so as an object comes between the source of light and the surface. ஓகேயா, ஸோ அந்த ஷேப் எங்கே இருக்குன்னா இந்த சோர்சஸ் ஆஃப் லைட்டுக்கும் சர்ஃபேஸ்க்கும் இடையில இருக்கும். ஓகேமா, the dark shape is called the shadow. அதை தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்கிறோம்னா ஷேடோ அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Light always travel in a straight line. லைட் வந்து எப்போவுமே ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைனில் தான் ட்ராவல் பண்ணும். ஆல்வேஸ் ட்ராவல் இன் ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைன். always travel in a straight line. When an object blocks the light, okay, when an object, for example, or a torch light is a source of light. So இந்த light வந்து ஏதோ ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வச்சு நம்ம block பண்றோம். block பண்றப்போ இந்த லைட்டோட அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டோட shadow, the black color shape வந்து light sources of light க்கு ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு இடையில ஒரு dark கலர்ல இருக்கும். So this dark shape is called the shadow. Okay. Blocks light, a dot shape, a dot shape is formed on the surface as the object comes between the sources of light, the source of light and the surface. This dark shape is called a shadow. Shadow. Okay ma, so this is called a shadow. And then that shadow is usually formed that opposite side, okay, opposite that source of light. The shadow வந்து எப்பவுமே அந்த source of light க்கு oppositeல தான் இருக்கும். For example, in the morningum eveningum பாத்தீங்கன்னா sunlight வந்து sun வந்து morning it's rise in the east. At that time நம்மளோட shadow sunlightல இருந்து நம்மளோட shadow பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்மளுக்கு அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டோட ஆப்போசிட் சைடில் தான் இருக்கும், நம்மளுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டில் இருக்கும். அதே போல் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஈவினிங்கும் அவர் ஷேடோ இஸ் இன் தி ஆப்போசிட் சைடு. அட் த சேம் டைம் இன் தி நூன் டைம், மிட் டே, அதாவது ஆஃப்டர்நூன், தட் சன் இஸ் வெர்டிக்கலி அபோவ் அஸ். ஸோ அட் தட் டைம் தட் நோ ஷேடோ இஸ் ஃபார்ம்டு. ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் அந்த சோர்சஸ் ஆஃப் லைட் வந்து டேரெக்டாக நம்மளோட டேரெக்டாக அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு மேலே இருக்கும்போது நார்மலி தட் நோ ஷேடோ இஸ் ஃபார்ம்டு. ஓகேயா? ஸோ அதுக்குள்ள டிஸ்டன்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் இருக்கிறப்ப தான் என்ன செய்யும், ஸோ த ஆப்போசிட் டைரக்ஷனில் சோர்சஸ் ஆஃப் லைட்டும் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டும் இருக்கிறப்ப தான் ஷேடோ ஃபார்ம் பண்ணும். டைரெக்டாக நம்ம அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு மேலே இருக்கிறப்போ நோ ஷேடோ இஸ் ஃபார்ம்டு. அண்ட் தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் there are so different kinds of objects around us. ஓகேயா? ஸோ some objects allow light to pass through them. ஓகே, நிறைய ஆப்ஜெக்ட் இருக்குது, some object only allow light to pass through them. ஓகேயா? and then that object are classified as opaque, translucent or transparent, and then depending on the capability to allow light to pass through them or not, whether the light whether the light to pass through them or not. ஸோ இது வந்து அந்த திங்ஸ் வந்து லைட்டை எப்படி அலோவ் பண்ண முடியுமா முடியாதாங்கிறத வச்சு ஸோ டிஃபர் ஆகுது. ஓகேயா? ஸோ தட் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் கிளாசிஃபைட் as opaque objects are classified as opaque, translucent, or transparent, transparent, depending, allow, whether they emit light or not. They emit light on them or not. Okay, yeah. So that object are classified as opaque, translucent or transparent depending, allow whether they emit light on them or not. அது வந்து லைட்டை வந்து allow பண்ணுமா இல்லையாங்கிறத ஸோ இந்த ஆப்ஜெக்டை கிளாஸிஃபை பண்ணியிருக்கு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் we learn opaque object. Objects such as tables and wooden books, okay, books or wooden tables, they do not allow any light, okay, yeah, they do not allow any light for. So இதெல்லாம் என்ன செய்யுது, wooden table ஓ books ஓ லைட்டை வந்து allow பண்ணவே செய்யாது. So these objects are called opaque object. Never allow light to pass through them. அது வந்து லைட்டை வந்து அதுக்குள்ளே பாஸ் பண்ணவே விடாது. So these objects are called opaque object. And then these object, the opaque object, this object form a very dark shadow. That opaque object form a very dark shadow. Opaque object, objects such as books, wooden tables, do not allow light to pass through them. These objects are called opaque objects. Opaque object. Okay, so that opaque object, these objects form a very dark shadow. That opaque object form a very dark shadow. Okay, yeah. So இது வந்து லைட்டை வந்து allow பண்ணவே செய்யாது. So they emit light on their wooden tables, do not allow light to pass through them. So these objects are called opaque object. எந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் எல்லாம் தனக்குள்ள வந்து லைட்டை பாஸ் பண்ணலையோ, so that object are called opaque object. So these opaque object form a very dark shadow. Okay, yeah, these object form a very dark shadow. And then next we learn the translucent object. Translucent object, so that is these objects allow some light, okay, some little bit or some amount of light only pass through them. The translucent object, okay, a translucent object allow some amount of some amount of light pass through them. Translucent object allow some light pass through them. through them. So these objects, for example, frosted or colored glass, that window glass, frosted means some rough surface, okay, yeah, surface or that frosted or a colored glass, that is that window glass, and then some plastics, and then dirty water. So these are all the examples of a translucent, okay, yeah. For example, frosted or colored glass, some plastics, and dirty water. Sometimes dirty water la enna cheyyum that light pass through pannum, and some plastics and dirty water or translucent. Or translucent, okay, yeah. So the translucent object na enna no, these object pass light to other, some amount of light only they pass through them, சரியா, கொஞ்சமா light வந்து pass பண்ணும். And then this shadow, the shadow formed by a translucent object is lighter than the shadow formed by an opaque object, okay, yeah. So opaque object form a dark shadow, and then these objects do not emit any light themselves, okay. And then here translucent object allows some amount of light only, some amount of light pass through them. And then for example, இது என்னலானா frosted rough surface of that colored glass, so that window glass, like a window glass, okay ma. So some plastics and then dirty water are translucent. So in the translucent, the shadow formed by a translucent object, okay, is lighter than the shadow formed by an opaque object. Opaque object la vandu nalla dark shadow form பண்ணும், அதை விட இந்த translucent object form பண்ணக்கூடிய shadow வந்து lighter இருக்குது, okay ma. Can you understood? Yeah, the shadow formed by a translucent object is lighter than the shadow formed by an opaque object. Opaque object, okay, yeah. So அதோட அந்த opaque object விட இதோட shadow வந்து லைட்டரா இருக்கும். And then next is a transparent object. Transparent object allow light to pass through them, okay. So completely transparent object allow light to pass through them, okay, yeah. So for example, clear glass bottle, clear plastics, and some film. So these are only some examples of a transparent sheets. So normally, generally the transparent objects do not form a shadows, okay ma. So generally the transparent object do not form a shadow. Transparent objects allow light to pass through them. Allow light to pass through them. Normally, so that transparent object Some examples of transparent objects are examples cling film, clear plastics, clear glass bottle, okay ma. So these things are the allow light to pass through them. இதெல்லாம் வந்து நார்மலாவே லைட்ட பாஸ் பண்ணும். ஓகேயா? So the transparent objects transparent object generally do not form a shadow. Do not form shadow. Form a shadow. Okay, yeah. So that one is the opaque object, another one is a translucent object, another one is a transparent object. So first one is the opaque object. Opaque object, so do not allow light to pass through them. ஓகேயா? அது வந்து லைட்டை வந்து அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ்லாம் வந்து லைட்டை வந்து பாஸ் பண்ணாது, தனக்குள்ளே வந்து பாஸ் பண்ண விடாது, பிளாக் பண்ணிடும் லைட்டை. ஸோ தீஸ் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் ஆர் ஃபார்ம் அ வெரி டார்க் ஷேடோ, நல்ல டார்க்கான ஷேடோ ஃபார்ம் பண்ணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் அ டிரான்ஸ்லூசன்ட் ஆப்ஜெக்ட். தீஸ் ஆப்ஜெக்ட், இந்த மாதிரி ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் என்னென்னா இது என்ன பண்ணுன்னா லைட்டை வந்து கொஞ்சமாக லிட்டில் அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் லைட்டை மட்டும் பாஸ் பண்ணும். ஸோ அது என்ன, இதோட ஷேடோ எப்படி இருக்கும்னா ஒபேக் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து நல்ல டார்க்காக ஷேடோ ஃபார்ம் பண்ணும். பட் த translucent object the shadow formed by the translucent object is lighter than the shadow formed by a opaque object. Opaque object ஓட ஷேடோவை விட இது கொஞ்சம் லைட்டராக இருக்கும். And the next one is the transparent object. Transparent object never transparent object allow light to pass through them. ஈஸியாக வந்து அந்த transparent object நம்ம லைட்டுக்கு முன்னால் வச்சோன்னா so that is easily allow light to pass through them. And then these objects generally, the transparent object generally do not form a shadow. Okay, அது வந்து ஷேடோவை ஃபார்ம் பண்ணாது transparent object. Okay, now can you tell some examples of opaque object? Book, wooden blocks, door. Okay, so these are all the opaque objects. Can you tell some examples of translucent object? Yes, frosted or colored glass, and then some plastics, some light plastics, and then dirty water or translucent. So these are all the examples of a translucent. Can you tell some examples of transparent object? Yes, cling film, and then clear plastics and clear glass bottle. So these are all the transparent object. Okay, so these are all the that luminous and non-luminous objects. Luminous object so emit light on their own, and non-luminous object cannot emit light on their own. And then different objects around us, some objects are emit light on their own, allow light to pass through them, and then some other do not allow light to pass through them. Okay, yeah. So I hope all of you understood this video very well, students. Thank you.